What's up guys, Track Palmer here. If you have a check engine light and you scan the vehicle and get code 2422, it means that you have a closed vapor canister vent solenoid under the vehicle, or the vapor canister itself is blocked from internal deterioration. Do not confuse this vapor solenoid under the vehicle with the purge valve which is under the hood. A problem with the purge valve would give a code like P2427. A common problem of a bad vapor solenoid under the vehicle is not being able to fill your gas tank all the way. You can see here that I have more than half tank of gas. If I try to fill it all the way, it will stop. And no matter how I try, I will not be able to fill it all the way. As you can see, there is more room in the gas tank. The pump stopped because the canister can't breathe properly as it is stuck closed. I will not be able to fill the tank all the way. I will get poor gas mileage and I will surely fail an emission test. Let's look at some options to repair this. You will need some tools. A set of gas line pliers like this. 10 and 12mm sockets with ratchets. A jack and jack stands. I recommend removing the entire canister to test it before buying anything. Or you can buy the entire canister with the vapor vent solenoid. I bought this used at a junkyard for only $30. It came with everything you see here, which includes the bracket and the solenoid. You might also be able to find this on eBay. There is another option to just replace the vapor solenoid if that's what the problem is. To replace the canister, I need to lift the vehicle, secure with jack stands, remove this plastic cover, remove this protective bar, remove the vent hoses, disconnect the electrical wires, remove the bad solenoid, then reverse all those steps to install a working canister. Let's remove this canister. Lift the vehicle and secure with the jack stands. I'm doing this at night, so the video quality isn't the best. Remove some clips holding this plastic cover in place. A flat screwdriver works. Work your way around until you have access to the canister. The cover is out of the way now. I will remove this bar out of the way. I will use this 12mm socket on this impact driver to remove the two 12mm bolts. Power tool makes this job easier. That's bolt number 2. The bar is now out of the way. There are 3 bolts holding this in place. Let's remove one of the vent lines. Use these pliers and squeeze at the side. Push first, then pull it right off. You might also need to rock it around like I did there. Now I can unplug this electrical connector. Disconnect this hose. To remove this vent hose, I need more working space, so I will remove the 3 10mm bolts holding the canister in place. Now I have more working space to move the canister around. Squeezing the outside portion of the clip here while pulling worked. The canister is now off the vehicle. I painted the rusted bracket and I hope it dries to touch before I'm done. I use primer and undercoat paint. To test the canister, use your mouth to blow through the hose and air should come out the other end here. If you are not able to blow through the hose, the vapor solenoid is stuck closed or the charcoal inside the canister has broken down and blocked everything. In my case, it is the canister, but I didn't record the testing. My bad. To replace the vapor solenoid though, remove the retainer clips here and pull out the vapor solenoid. Then insert a new one. Now I will reinstall the bracket. The bracket is not yet dried, but I can't wait. Now let's go get this on the vehicle. Install the canister with the 3 10mm bolts loosely in place before tightening them. I will now install this hose. Ensure that it snaps in place. Install this electrical connector. Then connect the second vent hose. Ensure that it is tightly secured in place. I will use this hose that came with the working canister. Now I will reinstall this bar with the two 12mm bolts. Now I can reinstall this plastic cover with the clips. I have cleared the fault code and it hasn't come back. But the real test is to go to a gas station to try and fill up all the way. Now I can finally fill the tank all the way. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. But before you go, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one, guys.